Why is he stroking the meatball?
Push him. Raha.
Day dinner for the Sochi. Big 3 years old. He's got steak, sweet potato.
Out of all the positions you could choose to lay in, this is the one you've settled on? Okay.
Just because your eyes are closed doesn't mean I can't see you. You're ridiculous.
Turkey cat.
No! No!
Oh, okay, okay. Oh my god.
You went from a size 10 to a size 20 in the space of 1 year. What was causing all that?
Food.
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
Thank you.
Girl.
Finn?
Yo and La Vida.
Get off my Diet Coke. Stop it.
Oh, Ginger. Ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Oh, heard about you. Everybody has. You don't have enough.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
Why are you in that plant pot? Oh, okay.
We found this cat in the dog food.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
buddy. Oh, you like that? You like that?
Meow. Meow.
It's gonna be right there.
Let go. That's not your pizza.
I'm returning this. I don't like it.
Come here, buddy. Berlioz. Come here, bud. Come on.
What are you talking about?
Hello. Are you gonna take my order or not? I guess not.
I have to show you something, what I do. Okay.
Be aware of your surroundings.
Looking right at us. Spencer! No! No, Spence! Dead set, no! No! No, 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 no!
Family makes me want to murder people.
Look at her fucking handprint. Her toes are all spread. God.
Yep, sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back, I said!
Swing? Go swing. Get it! Good job!
Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me?
Yes.
What are you doing? Ollie, what are you doing?
You pooped yourself. That was all on you, Cleo.
What's this?
Oh my God.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
And got her a new harness, but she's too fat. I didn't measure properly, Panko. You're too fat.
Oh, fuck.
Hello. I was wondering if I could order 1 attentions, please. It doesn't have to be in a size large. It can be whatever size you have available. Thank you.
Wrong.
How'd that get in there?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is—
They say your animals pick up on your traits. I'm gonna have to start locking Herschel in a different room when I have visitors.
Fluff. 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 Buff. Buff. Buff.
You come here often?
Hit a high note.
There's something wrong with my Funko Pop.
Can I see your teeth?
Do it.
No. No. No.
Oh. Ooh. Oh my god, it's gonna pop! Oh my god, it's gonna pop. They're gonna get scared. Bear! Oh my god. Daddy, you're gonna pop it. Oh my god, you're gonna pop it. No, you're gonna pop it. He's like, where did it go? Oh, it popped.
Do you work here? Yes, can you assist me with the deodorant selection? Oh, that one? Okay. Thank you.
Lyra, I'm gonna take away your window privileges if you keep doing this. Get down! Get down! Hey! You're gonna lose window privileges. Get off! Good morning!
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste?
Are you hungry?